You know what this is, right? This is a Mega Drive, or Genesis if you were in America. And this one works perfectly. But that's not why we're here, because this is a Mega CD. This doesn't work perfectly, so let's get into it. Okay, this is another console of my friend's. When we were down testing all these consoles, we realised the CD doesn't work. The Mega CD doesn't work, so he's giving me to open up and have a tinker with. I never had a Sega Mega Drive. I was always a Nintendo kind of guy, so I'm not very au fait with these things, but like I said, we've tested this, it works fine. It's this, which is a little filthy. That's not powering on. I'm not getting any, look at that, not getting any power lights or anything, so I think first things first, let's plug it all in and just test it on camera. Okay, power. Okay, so the Sega is working. Now apparently if I take this out and turn it on, that should just power up the Mega CD. But we aren't getting, it's recognising the Mega CD, there. But we're not getting any lights on the front. There should be some lights flashing up. I don't know how to open the actual drawer. Version 1.0, 1993, that's when this was released. I have no idea how to access. So it's recognising it, but we're not getting any lights or any action out of it. No menu. So let's open it up. Okay. It's just gonna go. Something's loose in there. Interesting. That'll be the laser, probably. Something to do with that. Right, let's open it up. Okay. Right, let's get these shields off then. It is dirty in there. It's a very interesting method of connection. There's 3 prongs there. Very interesting. Okay, I am not 100% sure what I'm looking at here. I mean, there's something loose here. I don't know what that was. There's a bit of gunk around these. So maybe these caps. Oh, the caps. Yeah, C45 and C36. There's a lot of juice around them, for lack of a better word. Maybe there's something happened to them. Sorry, I missed off of that. Looking around or just nosing around. I wonder if these LEDs are powered by them caps there. Okay. I've just had a look about these caps and they all look like they've got a little bit of gunk electrolytic liquid or something's coming out of these. I think these are all best off changed, to be honest. It seems to be the best bet. So I'm going to take this board out, give it a once over, close up look maybe with a microscope, and then order some of these caps. If you look, there's a bit of gunk around these caps. There we go. Yeah, look at that. What's on the other side of there? A capacitor. So I'm suspecting, again down here, what have we got on the other side of there? There's a capacitor there. Okay, I'm just going to check some of these caps around some of these chips. Just make sure there's no shorts, so we know that we're not dealing with a dud chip. So let's do that. I mean, all these caps seem fine. All these caps seem fine. They are 3mm caps, I want. 3mm electrolytic. 10 at 16, 10 at 16, 10 at 16, 10 at 16. Yeah, they're all 10 at 16 volts. I'm going to see if I can find a bag of replacement or something. There's probably a site that sells a load of replacement ones for this. And we're going to replace all them caps. That's my first step. Well, actually, that's my second step because I'm going to have to order them. My first step, I'm just going to look under the microscope all the way around this. Make sure there's no shorts or dirt, because it doesn't look very clean. I keep seeing things that are not filling me with confidence. So let's do that. Okay, so starting from this corner, these two caps that I saw first. I mean, it's filthy, isn't it? Something's happened there. Again with that one, you know, if you saw a full-size cap like that on a board, you'd replace it straight away. So I think that's what we're gonna do, but just while we're under the microscope, we'll have a look at everything else. I think while I'm here, I'll just go around and clean up these, because it's filthy, this board. Bit of RPA. What's that there? Is that a bit of metal? I don't know if that's a protective spray. Again, another cap there. I think all these caps have gone. That's pretty scary, isn't it? Let's clean that up. I think we'll just test some continuity around there to make sure them pads are actually going where they're supposed to, them pins. Okay, we're getting a reading. Let's get a little closer into that. Now, has that worn away? Should there be a connection? I mean, there should be, it looks like there should be a connection there. It doesn't look like there is one. We're going to need to short that there. Just put a little leg there. I think that might be one issue. Yeah. Nothing there. So we're going to need a really little piece of wire, which I don't have. So I'm going to have to order some super fine 0.1mm wire just to join that back up. It might be that. It might just be that. Although I think the caps won't do it as well. So I'm going to get on eBay, order a load of stuff, and we'll get back to this once it's all arrived. Okay, just received this in the mail. 0.1mm wire. I'm going to be using this to repair this. There's definitely no connection there because we've checked. It doesn't look like there's one there, so I'm just going to test that because it doesn't look like there's one there. Okay, so that's the track and that's the leg. Yeah, there's no connection there. What about the middle one? Okay, there is on the middle one. So it's this one and this one need repairing. Let's just clean that up and then try and connect this wire. This is the first time I've tried doing this, so bear with me. Okay, I've had a few failed attempts at this with some cable I got from China, some little 1mm, 0.1mm. It failed miserably. So I've just pulled this out of the centre with a cable, and I'm hoping this does a better job. This is so fine. Okay, I think that's one. Okay, that is rough in the jungle, but that is one. Let's just test that. Okay, that's one. Now to do this one. I'm sorry for the quality of that. It's very bad. But it's there. So next, let's just test that. I think it might be. Okay. Two. That one. No. Right. That is rough, but there's a connection where there should be a connection. So let's just clean it up. Okay, that is rough. That is really rough. But there are connections where there are meant to be connections, and there are no connections where there are meant to be no connections. This is super tiny work, by the way. Ooh. Let's just test all of them again now. I've still got the caps to replace, because they all look like that. No, that's the end one, no connection. Second one, connection. Third one, no connection. Fourth, no. See, at that point there should only be a connection on that second pin, and there is. This one, there should only be a connection on the fourth pin. Well, there's a connection inside there because that's drawing 0.4 volts. But there should be a short only on that fourth pin, and there is. So I'm inclined to leave that at the minute. Maybe even just build it back up and test it. I haven't got the caps to do yet. I'm still waiting for them. So let's just build it back up and see if it does anything different. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, as you can see, I've just shoddily put it back together. I haven't even put the front panel on. Everything's plugged in. Everything's plugged in. Let's give it a try. Lights. Oh, make a CD. This is unbelievable. I was not expecting that. Press reset to open the CD tray. Reset. I don't have a reset button. Oh my god. Oh my giddy ants. I can't believe it worked. I cannot believe it worked. I've got some caps coming. So I'll probably replace all them caps on the motherboard because they are knackered. Well, I don't know what to do now. I can't believe I've done it. I've got a game, let's test it. Oh, what's this? Oh well. I'm going to replace all the caps on it because they need doing, but as far as I'm concerned, that's fixed. That's brilliant. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, because there will be more coming. And thanks for watching. I think that's that.